Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Now, in this video, we're going to show you how to use the microscope eyepieces, okay, and the eyepieces that has a ruler inside them when you look inside them on a telescope, okay, and the telescope that we're going to use is a 1.25 inch telescope. Such eyepieces of 1 to 5 inch diameters can enter. Now the microscope has, like you're gonna see, this is a microscope eyepiece. So this is the size, as you can see, it's 23.2 millimeters. So if we go here to the telescope, this is Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ. Okay, very famous telescope, very popular. So see, it's very small compared to the diameter of the eyepiece shaft. So in order to fix that, we have to use this, okay, which is an adapter. Okay, this one. Okay, and you should see something written on it. You can hardly see it because of the light. Yeah, this you can see here, there's written on it. Let's just try to hold it in a way that you can read it. Okay, so this is it. So this is the adapter. You just have to install it here, but you have to understand that those adapters don't have a screw to hold the eyepiece, so it's important that like here you can see, okay, there's no screw inside the adapter, okay, in order to hold the eyepiece. So if I just insert it like this, doesn't mean that it's stuck to it, so it can just simply be removed. Okay, so if you want to see more, okay, they just they fall. Okay, so like this and like this, okay, and we're going to take a picture now or show you somewhere there, okay, somewhere there are the buildings, so just for the sake of testing, okay. The one thing you're going to suffer from is that, see, the weight of the phone, okay. You have to hold the phone yourself, okay, in order to keep it like in a horizontal way, okay, because if I leave it, it will, see, it will flip or rotate around itself, okay. So this is it. So what we are using is a 10 times 10x eyepiece, and I think you should see should be able to see the ruler, the eyepiece. Okay, so let's find somewhere else to see something where the ruler can appear. I cannot see it because of the too much light, and it's not about exposure, okay, and today is not the clear day, and just for the sake of testing, forget about the focusing. That's something you would do, okay. It's not about the focusing, it's not about, the whole idea is about how to use microscope eyepieces on telescopes, okay. And still, if if you don't have, if you have a 2-inch shaft for a telescope, just put the converter from 2-inch to the 1.25-inch, and then next you will be using, see the ruler, I can see it right now. Okay. And then you put the adapter from 1.25-inch to 23mm eyepieces. Okay. I know mostly you won't be understanding what's going on, but just simply I'm trying to show you that you can use the microscope eyepieces as telescope eyepieces. And just 1 second, trying to remove the phone. Okay. And also, if you have a binoviewer for the telescope, a 1.25-inch binoviewer, you can still use it too. Okay, I do have them. There's no need to show them, but you can still use them. Same thing. Okay. But I will have to make another video for it so you can see it on a separate video. Okay, for ease of searching. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like my channel, like this video, and try to share this video with other people. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.